72. It was sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Rochester, 74 at St. Cloud, 67 at Bemidji, 68 at Hibbing, and 69 at International Falls. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 72 at Mankato, 70 at Duluth, and 68 at Alexandria. At Marshall, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 72. Around Wisconsin, rain was falling, with a temperature of 57 at Madison, 60 at Green Bay, and 54 at Milwaukee. At Bay City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 72. At La Crosse, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 67. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 70 at Eau Claire, 75 at Osceola, and 63 at Wausau. At Rice Lake,
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
now the